Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to change font size in Microsoft Edge browser. A pretty simple and easy method. Just go to your Microsoft Edge browser and open it, and after go to the right side and click on the three dots, and after that click on the settings and go to the appearance on the left side and just scroll down, and at the bottom you will see that there is a fonts. You need to click on this arrow, and here you can change the font size from custom to very small, even small, and medium, and you can preview also here, and large and very large. It up to you the which font size is easy for your preferences. And after that you need to click on the customize fonts. Click on that arrow, and here you can see that the advanced font size. You need to move the sliders to view your preferences. Here you can see that, and if you do to the left side, the all font size view is decreasing. And similarly, minimum font size currently is 15. Human increases to 17 or even 18. So best is 15. And here is the standard font. Right now my is Arial, and you can change it to the any of your preferences font size. You can change this to Book Antica, and the preview is shows the style. And similarly, the serif font you can change from this drop down menu, and the sans serif font is also you can change from this drop down menu to any of your choice. And fixed width font is also you can change from this drop down menu. So in this way you can just simply customize your font size in Microsoft Edge browser. So if you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.